Hey trainers, Gym Leader Kyle here with Lavender Town Accounting. Tax season's in full swing, and one of the biggest mistakes I see people making is missing deadlines, or thinking an extension means they can wait to pay. Today, we're covering both key filing due dates, what to do if you need more time, and how an extension really works. Plus, we'll touch on some state tax rules you do not want to overlook. Before we dive into it though, let's be honest. How do you handle tax deadlines? A. Filed it way in advance. B. Cutting it close, but it'll get done. C. What deadline? Drop your answer in the comments. I want to see where everybody's at. First up, let's talk about due dates. Depending on your business structure, your tax deadline isn't necessarily April 15th. Here's a quick breakdown. If you file as a partnership or an S corporation, your deadline is March 15th. If you're a C corporation or an individual, you have until April 15th. If you're thinking, wait, gosh, I won't be ready by then, don't worry, there's options. If you can't file on time, you can request what's called an extension. This gives you more time to file your return, but there's one important piece that is often overlooked. An extension is only an extension of time, not an extension of time to pay. Quick question, have you ever had to file a tax extension? Let me know in the comments. Was it a smooth process or was it a last minute scramble? If you owe taxes, you still need to pay an estimated amount by the original due date, April 15th for individuals and C corporations, to avoid penalties and interest. Waiting to pay can lead to unnecessary fees, and nobody wants that. And here's another catch. Depending on your state, your business might still owe a minimum tax or franchise fee even if you extended your return. For example, the great state of Oregon, there's a $150 cost of doing business tax that they have for all partnerships, C corporations, and S corporations. California has a similar filing fee of $800. Don't forget about those. So to recap, know your due dates, file an extension if needed, but don't forget to pay what you owe by the original deadline, and do not overlook those state fees. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help more trainers like you stay on top of their taxes and keep more of their hard-earned Pokecoins. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. We'll be sure to tackle them for you. And as always, we're here to help you count them all and keep it all, legally of course. See you next time.